Hi everyone, and welcome back to another instructional video from Forest River, Wildwood and Salem divisions. Today we're going to be talking about the main roof and the slide-out roof. Now we're going to be hitting on maintenance for both of them as well as some general information. All seals should be checked seasonally for voids and cracking. This includes all moldings and the front cap if applicable. Roofs should be kept clear of any debris that could cause damage to the membrane. And roofs should be cleaned seasonally or as needed with a mild detergent and water. Our roofs are sealed with a lap sealant, which is composed of a liquid solvent that will go from liquid to a gas over time. When this occurs, it's called off-gassing. This can cause bubbles and wrinkles to occur near the sealant and is normal and will go down over time. This will also cause the sealant to harden and become brittle and cracked over time. Sealant should be removed and new sealant should be put down at that time.